Hello and welcome to the screencast of my online course unit. Uh, my online unit is Unit 2-3, Affordable Housing, and it's part of the Civil Engineering and Architecture Project Lead the Way course. And I've started off the course uh, here with a little one video introduction that I put together. And hello and welcome to the Affordable Housing. You can see it's me introducing the course. My name is Mr. Bowman. And as you can see by the family photos on the wall back here of my 5 children, I'm sitting in my living room. So I've kind of put this together. This could be sent out in an email or posted on the school district website. And it kind of instructs them on how to get onto SharePoint and access the CEA homepage, which I'll take you to now. Okay. And the way I have the unit set up is through the announcements section on SharePoint. I would give the daily instructions, kind of like we do for the course that we have with you right now, Chris. And I've started off by giving them the essential questions and performance objectives, just as a Word document here. Okay, and they could review that on their own, or I could review it with them online. Okay. Then each unit in the CEA course has a Word document that you can print out of key terms for the unit, and there's also a crossword you can print out. But what I did is I used the Eclipse crossword program to actually make the crossword puzzle so that they can complete it online. Just click on the word they want to do and read the definition, type in what they think it is, hit OK, and it puts it in the crossword. When they're all finished, they can check the crossword. And if I wanted them to turn it in, what I would have them do is do a screenshot of this and then upload it into their student folder. Third thing on the list for day one here is to review the project. Okay, and since this is a Project Lead the Way course, there's a project document that goes through an introduction, equipment, and so on, deliverables. It gives kind of a list of everything they're going to be expected to do. And then when they're completed with the project, there are some questions they have to answer here, some conclusion questions. So we would have them review that. And then there's also a presentation on affordable housing, a PowerPoint, which is housed on the SharePoint here. And they would just go through that. Okay. And learn about affordable housing and Habitat for Humanity. Okay. So that would be the first day of course. Then I would also probably have a quiz prepared for them that they could take. And later on I'll show you, I haven't made that quiz yet, but I can show you some of the other quizzes that I have. Now I don't have a quiz made for the affordable housing PowerPoint yet, but I do have some that I have made for some other parts of this unit. One is on land use and development, and I have that posted here. And if you click on that, it takes you to the little quiz, and you just answer the quiz. And when you're finished, you submit it. And the way I have it set up right now is it sends me an email with the score that the student received and a little report on their assessment. Okay. Now, all of these files that I have links to here are stored over here in the general CEA files document library. And the students have access to this. Here's the whole CEA course. Here's the lesson 2-3 online unit affordable housing design. So if I click on that, this is where I link the day-to-day lessons to. Okay, so the students can access any of this stuff anytime they want. So if they want to go back to something that they've done in the past, they just click the general CEA files, and here everything is. Also in here would be the rubric for the unit, which we can take a look at now, the affordable housing rubric that I use to grade their project when they're all finished with it. So here is the rubric. It's just an Excel spreadsheet that I put together, which evaluates the project on a lot of points. You can see it's quite extensive. And then gives me a total for the whole project at the bottom. And what I do with these extensive rubrics is we don't wait till the project is completely finished to fill out the whole rubric. As we complete parts of the project that the rubric evaluates, we can fill out that section of the rubric. So now I'm going to go back to the CEA homepage here. And I wanted to show you also where students turn in their work. If we go over to the document libraries again, there is one called CEA Students. And you can see all my students that are currently in the course are listed here. And we can go in to one of the students' folders, and you can see this is where they've turned in a lot of their work. They have their copy of their affordable housing rubric right in there also. Now, for this project, this is really the first time that they've designed a home. So I've set up on my links over here on the right side, my DIGO website list for civil engineering and architecture. And that should load up here in a second. And on that list, I've provided them with some house plan sites that they can go to look up house plans. And there's even one that's specific for affordable house plans, and they can click on that and look for homes that would meet the requirements for their project. These sites have really advanced over the years to the point where you can specify the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, half baths, stories, garage bays. You can filter them by square footage, width, depth, and so on. So they would spend some time